How are we doing? Back for another pattern detail. Still on Dosan. We are now moving into the second half of the kata. There's only really two more details that I need to cover for this. But this one's going to be a longer one because it's going to cover both sections of the 45-degree combinations. And this, when it comes down to grading, especially when it's people's first ever grading, because like proper formal tests with us, this is an easy one to make mistakes at. It really is very, very easy to get it wrong. Okay, so imagine we have done the first half. We've come all the way down. We've done the spins. We've done those back fists. We've then got the fold ready. We've spun out. Done our block punches either side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Lovely. Bit by bit. I'll do the whole combination first, then we'll isolate the footwork, and then we'll isolate the hand techniques. Yeah, because there's a lot to do here. Okay, so once I've done that last set of block punches here, it goes in, out, 45 degrees to my left, front stance, double block, fingers, knuckles out, kick, punch, punch. Then I come in to go out, to double block, kick, 1, 2. Okay. Oh, it's a big combination, or a big set of combinations. Okay, so footwork first. I've done my second set of these. Look. Okay, it goes left in, left out, kick, land. And my right foot is in front. And then we do the same on the other side. Right in, right out. Front stance. Kick, land. That's what my feet are doing. There's not a lot of footwork for this, but it does need to be correct so that I can get my hand techniques right. Okay, so, do it one more time. Left in, left out. Kick, land. Right in, right out. Kick, land. That's it. Footwork's easy peasy. There's the hand techniques that go with it. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the hand techniques on top. I'm going to show you the way that you see it in class, the way you copy. Right, then I'm going to flip it so you can also see it from the front, see exactly what I'm doing with my hands. Okay, so, second set of block punches. Left in, left out. When I do that, my hands come to the base of my ribs, yeah, where we fold punches from. Okay, so I come in, out with my left, double, out with the block. Okay, these are just two middle blocks that are turned around. Okay, they are level with my shoulder, my elbows down. Kick, front punch, right and right, back punch. Okay, so it's opposites. Okay, but I've done kick and land, 2 punches, no more footwork. Right foot in, right foot out, double block. From there, same deal. Hit my kick, land, left hand, because I'm left foot in front, right hand. Okay, and what I said about the footwork, it went in, out, kick, land. Okay, so watch that footwork again with the hands. In, out, double block, kick, land, 1, 2, front hand, back hand. Okay, now, I don't want to confuse anyone, but for the people that need to see my hand techniques, okay, I'll show the opposite way round. Okay, so, you now have to imagine that I've started here. Okay, I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, I've done the knife block, the spear, the spin, and the last back fist. Yes, my footwork is wrong because I haven't got the space to do it all properly. Okay, I then fold, turn out, block punch, step across, block punch, and this is the section we're talking about in this video. Left foot in, hands to ribs, left foot out, double block, yeah? Knuckles, wrists out, okay, but I've still got these V shapes, I'm not stretching it, it's not up here, it's not down here, okay? Mr. Bigley always says these are like motorbikes, like handlebars, boom, okay? Yeah, kinda. Okay, so you're not on like a racing bike doing this, but you're not on some massive chopper either. Okay, it's in here. Right foot, kick, land. Right hand, left hand. Then rinse and repeat on the other side. Right foot in, right foot out. Left foot kicks, land, front punch, back punch. Okay. Now you will notice things I've talked about in the past, things like downward blocks going push pull, upward blocks going push pull, one in, one out, or one up, one down. Same works for these kick punch combinations. Once I'm here, notice the leg that I kick with, and this is slightly more senior detail, but the leg that I kick with, the hand that's on the side that kicks drops because it gets ready for the punch. Okay, so it goes here, kick, and then when I land, I've left my opposite hand out, so I know I swap twice. One punch, two punch. Okay. Now that's a really finicky detail. I do not want green belts to get completely bogged down with that detail now, simply because it might ruin your footwork. It's a bit of an awkward one. Okay, but because it translates to other later patterns, it is a nice little skill to have. Okay, so here I would go kick, down, 1, 2. In to go out, double, because that's my kicking side. It goes drop, kick, 1, 2. Okay, it's one of those, like the beginning of the pattern, I end up opposites, like the middle of the pattern, I end up opposites. Okay, then when I do this, kick, land, 1, 2, I end up opposites. Okay, just so you know. Like I say, it's an awkward one. Dosan is much more challenging as a pattern than Tangun, by like a long way. Okay, so take time when you're learning it. Detail is important. Okay, have fun, enjoy, keep training.